told that Radhika Dhruv is taking all this in the Rotary Club of Madras Cosmos, and the number of activities which he has lined up. That is what makes this day very important for you. And I have always been mentioning, I Rotary mentioned everybody looks at it, it has started over 100 years, started by 4 people who just wanted to discuss, and today it has become more than 1 lakh clubs are there. What I have personally experienced from Rotary is quite a lot of people talk about pulse polio. But நிறைய activities they have been doing. It's not just pulse polio, probably that was a defining moment. I always admit that hepatitis B vaccine, which is now part of universal immunization program all over India. Modal na previous innings as commissioner, but before that I was deputy commissioner health. North Chennai free hepatitis B vaccine was started by Rotarians purchasing it and administering it free in our place. So that changed. Similarly, when we had tsunami, again, they came back, livelihood assistance, they decided to do housing, and most topping it all was Annai Satya Ilan. So many Rotarians joined together and created an orphanage. So Rotarians are there who keep on doing. Then of course we have these unfortunate floods. Then of course COVID, again Rotarians, they joined together, and I remember March itself they decided to develop a very beautiful ICU in Tambaram TB hospital. Subsequently, first wave was different, but the next wave when it came, when oxygen was in short supply, every Rotarian joined together and contributed our oxygen concentrators, oxygen generators. Then most of all, the vaccination drive to the cold chain equipment went in. So Rotarians, if you look at it, it's not just that they come here. I thought it's along with it, she's also going to organize a fashion show. So the beautiful behind all this glamour, the hard work is done by Rotarians and the club members. And Radhika Dhruv is very lucky that you have been able to start the thing running. And I thank your husband for the support, your family for the support.
The youngsters especially, and with the support of the Rotaries to come forward to make many people in our country understand that we ourselves are one of the finest examples in the world as living together, irrespective of faith, caste, creed or color, in peace and harmony, especially in this state of Tamil Nadu. I think one thing we can promote is, I think we can go backwards. What I said last time, I was honored to speak at the UN function. It was an event where it was about the refugees, where I said that ignorance of each other, of one another, it creates a kind of fear. And fear, it creates kind of a hatred. And then the hatred makes refugees. So I think what the Rotary can do is work backwards to remove the ignorance part and understand each other as one creation of one Supreme Lord. And anything to support the help in that cause will always be there. So these words I wish Radhika and all other members all the very best. And again, a very great honor to be here on June meeting. Thank you so much.
Rotary Club Madras Cosmo. This is 1992 ஆரம்பிச்ச one of the oldest club. இந்த கிளப்போட இன்னைக்கு இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் ரொட்டேரியன் ராதிகா த்ரோவ் அவங்க வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விமென் பிரசிடெண்ட்டாக இந்த கிளப்போட பிரசிடெண்ட்டாக. இந்த டீம் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நிறைய ஐடியல்ஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க. அதாவது என்விரான்மெண்ட்டு, விமென், பேசிக் எஜுகேஷன், இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ஒரு 7 கோல்ஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க. அந்த கோல்ஸ் எல்லாம் அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நிச்சயமாக இந்த கோல்ஸ் அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறது மூலியமாக சமுதாயத்துக்கும் சரி இந்த தேசத்துக்கும் சரி நிச்சயமாக இந்த ரோட்டரி கிளப் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நிறைய கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுறாங்க. இந்த புது டீமுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hello, I'm representing now the president of Rotary Club of Madras Cosmos. I would really like to thank the Rotary world, our district governor Mahavir Bothra ji, to trust in me and my club as well, to nominate me and have the trust in me to given this responsibility. And at this stage, today, we've launched 7 initiatives, which is based on 7 focus areas of Rotary, which means it's a commitment that because I've launched this initiative successfully, I need to do these projects and show the results. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm really committed to serving the people, and we are all people of action at the Rotary world. Thank you so much.
District Governor for 3233 Chennai incoming year, that 24-25, that Madras Cosmo Club, Rotary Club of Madras Cosmo, is a 32 years old club, very big club. Now the installation today is the 33rd youngest first lady president of the club. Today's installation grand success. She is a very powerful, passionate and entertainment and social worker, everything. Today's launched 7 avenue in Rotary. She launched 7 guest of honors. Top Chennai's leaders are joining today's program. Excellent installation, and the Rotary history is a remarkable installation. Today's Madras Cosmo rock the year, magic year. This year theme is Rotary Magic Year. Thank you one and all. Congratulations. God bless you.